This video tutorial I will cover isSupported method of year class which accept temporal field. Here I have defined a class year demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created year object. Then I am calling isSupported method of year object and passing temporal field as year. If this temporal field is supported by year, then this method will return true, else it will return false. Here I am calling isSupported method, and this time I am passing temporal field as month of year, and month of year temporal field is not supported by year, so we got false.